Solving rational expressions becomes a little trickier when our denominators have the algebraic expression in them. So what we have to do is, again, look at our two denominators and identify what would our common denominator be. At a minimum, it has to have each of these denominators in it. So our least common denominator would be both of those multiplied together, the x plus 6 and the x minus 5. So again, instead of getting common denominators, I'm just going to multiply each numerator by both of those things. By doing so, it allows me to cancel my denominators. So for the fraction on the left side of the equal sign, x plus 6 over x plus 6 cancels. And for the fraction on the right side of the equal sign, x minus 5 over x minus 5 cancels. So all that I have left on the left is the 5 times the quantity, x minus 5, and of course I have to distribute. And all that I have on the right side of the equal sign is the 7 times the quantity, x plus 6, and of course I have to distribute. Now I want to solve for x. So I want to combine my x's, bring all of the x's, collect them all on one side. I'll bring the smaller one over. So I'll subtract 5x from both sides of the equal sign. That will eliminate the x's from the left side of the equal sign and put them all on the right side of the equal sign. And now someone at Domino's made excellent pizza. Undo any addition or subtraction first. So what's with the x is plus 42. So I need to do the opposite, subtract 42 from both sides. And then the only thing left that's being done to the x is that it is being multiplied by 2. So we undo multiplication with division. And we find that x is equal to negative 67 halves, which is negative 33.5. And I can do the same thing. I can take that negative 33.5, I can substitute it back into the original equation for each x to make sure that the left side of the equal sign comes out equal to the right side of the equal sign.